Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick tour through the sequence window in Clarity. The sequence window is accessible from the instrument window. The main part of the window is the sequence table, which specifies the details of all analyses. The status column displays the state of the row. All possible states with descriptions can be found in the help. The run column decides whether the row will be measured or not. The next columns indicate the vials that will be used in measurements. The sample and sample ID are columns meant for sample identification. They are followed by columns which can be used for the calculations after the measurement. The injection volume column tells the autosampler how much should be injected. The file name column determines the name of the resulting chromatogram. For the file name column, it is recommended to use the variables in the name to ensure uniqueness. The column sample type, unknown, standard, or blank, and the column level, describe how the chromatogram will be treated regarding calibration. If the sample type is set to bypass, the sampler will not inject on this row. The following method name column tells which method is used. The rest of the table specifies the post-run options. Some other, mostly post-run columns are hidden by default. Details can be found in the Setup Columns dialog. At the top of the dialog is a toolbar specific to the sequence. The first set of icons is used for file management and print operations. The next set of icons helps with editing the table. The following part includes tools related to the sequence measurement. There is also a sequence options icon. For more details, see the video on sequence options. After that, there are icons for editing method and report style from the selected row. The last icon serves as a validity check of the sequence. Thank you for your attention. For more videos, check our YouTube channel.